In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove grid lines in Adobe Acrobat. If you're seeing distracting grids or very fine line patterns over your PDF, this walkthrough will help you clean up the view so the page looks smooth and uncluttered. We'll do this entirely through Acrobat's viewing options. That means you're changing how the PDF appears on your screen, not editing or altering the underlying file content. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat and load the PDF you want to review. Once your document is on screen, move to the top left corner of the application and open the main menu. Depending on your version, this may look like a classic menu bar or a compact menu button. Either way, you're heading into the same set of controls. From there, choose the View menu. View is where Acrobat keeps everything related to how pages are displayed, zoom behavior, page navigation, and, importantly for us, tools that show or hide on-screen guides. Inside View, go to Show/Hide. This section is dedicated to interface elements and visual aids that can be turned on or off. It's a reliable place to check whenever the page looks busy or when helper overlays get in the way of reading. Next, open Rulers and Grid. This area controls the on-screen rulers, guides, and the optional grid overlay. Entering this menu lets you review the status of those aids and ensure that the grid overlay isn't contributing to what you're seeing. If your page has looked like it's covered by a design grid, this is where that behavior is managed. Now click on Line Weights. This is a simple but powerful viewing toggle that changes how thin strokes are rendered on your screen. Many PDFs, especially those exported from Design or CAD tools, include ultra-thin lines that can look like a fine mesh or grid at certain zoom levels. Toggling line weights tells Acrobat to normalize the appearance of those strokes so they don't dominate the page. After you click, give the page a second to refresh and scan your document. Those faint grids and hairline patterns often soften or disappear from view. A couple of quick notes as you finish up. These adjustments affect only what you see in Acrobat. They won't rewrite the PDF or remove actual artwork. If the lines are baked into an image, you'll need editing tools to permanently eliminate them. But for reading and reviewing, the view settings you just used usually do the trick. Also, Acrobat typically remembers your last viewing preferences, so your pages should stay clean until you choose to change them again. That's it. Your PDF should now look clear and distraction-free.